Fort Heavy Las Vegas, right?
38, maintain visual separation American, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Zero 7 on my 26 left, good on.
Head left, 26 left, also 54 heavy.
One two one, runway 1 right, line up weight, you said you have southwestern side?
Fox 121, 1 right, line for weight, we have southwestern site, we'll maintain visual separation.
121 approved, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff, wind check 0307.
Fox 121, 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Name this frequency, American 2482.
Stay with you, American 2482.
7 Lima Juliet, when able to report that Mosky inside 12 o'clock.
The final flip speed.
36, the final approach speed, also 54 heavy.
Turbo 2 for heavy traffic control, I gotta send you around. Go around, climb maintain 6,000. Going around, climb and maintain 6,000, Turbo 2. Check 5 for heavy traffic, hotel response, and 2 miles going around, citation from 6,600. 738.
2042, kind of departure, have a good one.
2482, get it.
17 Lima Juliet, Las Vegas, traffic, 1 right, line up weight, caution, weight turbulence, caution, jet blast.
Do a visual to 1 if that would help you for Turbo 2. Turbo 2, that's out of my jurisdiction there. I maintain 7,000 there. I maintain 7,000 Turbo 2.
6504, Las Vegas, how's it going?
Also 6504 ready.
Just a heads up right there. Give me about a 3-minute wait. There's some go arounds on the other side of the airport that's stopping you right there, so we get you going here shortly.
Alright.
716 Tango Alpha, Las Vegas, just a radio check. How's it going?
Yes sir, waiting on you.
I'll get you going up this King Air left or right. C121, kind of departure 133 northbound. Take it easy.
Fox 121, get it, good job. 25 Las Vegas, right?
1 left, go to the left. 6 Tango Alpha, taxiway Whiskey, crossing runway 1 right, crossing runway 1 left, on the ground 121.1.
Whiskey on the right side and left side of the ground 21-1, 6 Alpha.
I have to read back correct, you 121.9 on the other side, sorry. Hug the left side of Whiskey if you're not familiar with this airport, just hug the left side of that taxiway.
We'll hug the left side, we'll call 21-9.
2.